Kingkidkits.
Maisy Cleans Up by Lucy Cousins. Maisy is cleaning her house today. Ding dong, someone is at the door. Who could it be? It's Charley. He's come for a visit. He can help Maisy clean. Charley smells something delicious in the kitchen. He's hungry. Oh, look, cupcakes. But the floor is still wet. Charley has to wait until it's dry. While he's waiting, Charley puts the toys away. Maisy vacuums the living room. Then Charley washes the windows from the inside. And Maisy washes them from the outside. That looks better. At last the kitchen floor is dry. Now Maisy and Charley can have some cupcakes. Hooray! Good job, Maisy. Good job, Charley. Treats, yum yum.